Does anybody else want a candle business? Because I do. I love candles. You love candles? Comment below if you love candles. If you have been thinking about starting a candle business and you've been worried about money, resources, time, you don't know where to start, I have just the solution for you. Isn't this candle so freaking cute? I got this from one of my favorite candle companies. It's called Keller Candle Company. I will leave their information down below. They have the cutest little ways that they store their candles is so freaking cute. And listen, if you're like me and you had a big picture in your mind and you like, I want to have a candle business, I want it to be exactly like this, but you don't know where to start, this video is going to be for you, because we are going to start a candle business together on Printify, okay, without you spending any money up front. No, it may not look just like that, but it is really great quality candles that you can customize, put a fun spin on. You can sell them on Etsy or Amazon, TikTok shop, your own store on Shopify, and you can start immediately. Because sometimes if you don't have any resources up front, you got to start with what you got, okay? And Printify has made it possible for us to start a business for no money, okay? So let me grab my phone. Y'all already know how we do. I really have played around with the idea of candles for a very long time. I love them. I'm always looking for really great quality candles that are not toxic. And if you've been playing around with the idea and you've just been like, I don't even know how to begin, this is how you begin. Printify.com, okay? Go ahead and go on there. If you do not already have an account, go ahead and set yourself up with one, okay? They got t-shirts, we got the candles, supplements, yes, supplements, all kind of stuff that you can literally start a business with today without spending any money, okay? So set your account up, and then we are going to go to catalog, okay? I am on my phone, of course, so the three dots at the top is the menu. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Bestsellers is a good place to start. I just went to home and living because I know I'm looking for candles. So what I love is that there are several options. So we have the scented soy. We got the coconut apricot wax, okay? We got amber. I love amber. Your girl loves amber or vanilla. If you want to give me a gift, amber or vanilla is it. We got the tin candles. We even got the glass jars. The frosted glass. Okay, so we got several options here. Now, as you can see, the prices are going up and down. I really like this tin candle vibe for some reason. And I love me a good tin candle. And I love a good tin, like, themed candle. Okay? Give me a good theme all day and I'm gonna buy into it, because that's all that matters. If you can get people to buy into it, it doesn't matter where you get the candle from. People gonna buy, okay? So next, I'm going to design the outside of the tin candle. Remember, you can choose whichever candle works best for you. I just like to walk you guys through to see exactly how you can get started today. And remember, as you see me typing, that AI is here, and Printify has a way for you to design. You can upload an image that you create on like Canva or have a graphic designer do it. You can use their AI image tool. You can put text, you can put graphics, you can put whatever you want. Remember to find something that resonates with your audience or who you want to attract, right? So I'm thinking girly pink, wellness, peaceful. That first one wasn't it, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on. And that's the great part about it. You can just continue to generate different images to find what it is that resonates with you and have fun, right? So I'm gonna change it up a little bit just because I'm not necessarily aligning with what is coming up. So we're gonna put calm, wellness, peaceful. Okay, and then here come Printify adding in tranquil lake. So it's gonna change it up a little bit, but that's fine, because I'm trying to just get my creative juices flowing, which is what I encourage you to do. Just log on to Printify and just try it out. Like, just see what you can come up with. Have fun. Don't put any pressure on yourself. Just have a good time, right? Now I have a little sunset lake. Still not exactly what I want, but like I said, play around, do some research. Are there other candle companies that you like? Is there something that you have seen done and you know you can put a different spin on it? Just come in here, play around with the AI image tool, play around with the text. And you will see as I go through this, like, I am just figuring out what I want. I don't really love what I'm coming up with now, so I'm gonna just keep playing around with it. Don't be afraid to do that. Don't be afraid to come up with different designs. Ask your friends and family, which one of these do you like? See how people react to it. And just keep going, right? Just keep coming up with ideas. Remember that maybe you start here on Printify and one day you have a $1 million candle business. You got to start by starting, okay? So I'm actually going to switch gears a little bit, and I think that I want to do like a affirmation candle, all right? Because me and the sunsets, we weren't working, and that's okay. I wanted to show you different options, different things you can do. So you can use the AI tool on Printify, or you can also use just regular text, or you could put an image. So I am going to today set up my affirmation candles, and things like this sell very well. Why? Because people love a theme. People love to find something that they can feel attached to. And if the candle says something that they can resonate with and it smells good, you got a winner, okay? So my candle now says, I am amazing. It comes in all of these different colors, and I'm really feeling this direction a little more than the sunset. What do you guys think? You like in the picture, or you like the affirmations better? And your girl just gave y'all a business idea today. I'm just saying, like, just gave you a little bit of a business idea, okay? Just make sure you don't take anybody's trademarked work. But affirmation candles are a thing. Thank me later, okay? So that's what I would put in here, like an I am affirmation type of brand. And I love it. Look at how quickly we have come up with a new candle brand, okay? So after that, I'm just going to show you the different prices. So I'm going to update the price to something fun, like a little angel number, because of the affirmations. With candles, you have a lot of price flexibility because the value is whatever you want it to be. So now that means that my profit has gone up tremendously, okay? And we like that. We like as much profit as possible. So that's giving me $15 per sale, okay? You can play around with it as you need to. Feel free to do whatever you need to do. Next step is going to be to get a sample. Of course, you want to see exactly how this candle is going to look, smell, feel, all of that, so that you can tell your customers and so you can get some feedback from your friends, your family, and be able to sell it. And you know what you got to do after that? Connect it to Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or your Shopify store, or all of the other places that you can connect your store to, and literally start selling. Yes. Start selling your candles. And like I said, you never know where your dream will take you. And I'm so grateful to places like Printify that allow us, people with big ideas and big dreams, to start with little to no money so that you can build it from there. If you've been holding back on your ideas because you want it to be perfect in a certain way, remember, it's never going to be perfect. Just start by starting. Start with what you got now. This is a great resource. Get a lot of samples. Check out all of the candles. See which ones you like best and go from there. Of course, drop me your questions and your comments below. Let me know, like, affirmation candles. Y'all feeling that? Because if y'all see the affirmation candles on Girl What's Got, I don't want to hear it. All right. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video.